Hey everyone, my name is Sharon, and I'm going to be teaching at Laurelle's upcoming crystal certification class in May. The topic that I'm going to be sharing with you is stones and Chinese medicine. It's funny, when people think of Chinese medicine, stone medicine isn't usually something that comes to mind. Here in the West, we usually think of acupuncture, herbs, maybe even Tai Chi or Qigong. But there's actually a very rich and deep relationship between stones and Chinese medicine that we're going to be looking at that particular day. When we start to kind of understand more about the classical way of thinking in terms of Chinese medicine, more of the historical context, it really brings to life what we can do with stones. Not just the way that they were done and not just the way that they were used and applied several thousands of years ago, but the way that it can infuse and inspire our practice and our use today. So it should be a fun, interesting class, and I look forward to seeing you there. Take care.